Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to hide the taskbar on a Windows 11 laptop. By hiding the taskbar on your laptop, the laptop screen will look fuller. Follow the steps in this video to hide the taskbar on a laptop. You can also use another method to enter this view. Right-click on your mouse then click Personalize. For example like this. Now the taskbar has been successfully hidden, so do it like that. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button on this channel.